How to create Shein application account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create Shein application account or register on a Shein app. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Shein application in a mobile device. If you don't have that installed yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have opened up the application, navigate to bottom right and tap on Me. Then tap on Sign In or Register at the top of this interface. Then you'll be taken into this page. Here, you can either continue with Google account or your Facebook account if you want. If not, you can always create an account with your email or phone number. Then tap on Continue. Now you have to complete this verification on your interface. Once verified, now you will be taken into the next page where you have to create or set your password in order to create an account. So create a password with at least 8 characters minimum, at least 1 letter and at least 1 number. Tap on all these terms and conditions and tap on Register. And once you're done with that, you may be asked to enter your phone number for the verification, or that will help you to recover your account when you have or when you lose access to your email address. If you don't want that, you can always skip that by tapping the skip at the top right. And once you have done with that, or once you are done with that, you are successfully registered on Shein and now you can shop using the Shein application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.